This is an eye. This is a nose. This is a mouth. This is an ear. This is a hand. This is a foot. This is hair. This is a head. This is an arm. This is a leg. This is a neck. This is a shoulder. This is a knee. This is an elbow. This is a finger. This is a toe. This is a tooth. This is a tongue. This is a lip. This is a chest. This is a back. This is a stomach. This is a chin. This is a forehead. This is an eyebrow. This is a cheek. This is a wrist. This is an ankle. This is a thumb. This is a palm. This is a heel. This is a waist. This is an eyelid. This is an eyelash. This is a nostril. This is an earlobe. This is a jaw. This is a gum. This is a beard. This is a mustache. This is a heart. This is a lung. This is a brain. This is a liver. This is a kidney. This is an intestine. This is a bone. This is skin. This is a court. This is a field. This is a rink. This is a pool. This is a track. This is a gym. This is an arena. This is a pitch. We can kick. We can throw. We can catch. We can jump. We can serve. We can dribble. We can pass. We can shoot. This is a captain. This is a goalkeeper. This is a defender. This is a midfielder. This is a striker. This is an umpire. This is a linesman. This is a substitute. We can run a marathon. We can sprint. We can run hurdles. We can do the long jump. We can do the high jump. We can pole vault. We can do the shot put. We can throw the discus. This is kickboxing. This is Muay Thai. This is Taekwondo. This is Aikido. This is Sumo. This is Kendo. This is Kung Fu. This is Capoeira. This is a shin guard. This is a knee pad. This is an elbow pad. This is a mouth guard. This is headgear. This is a wristband. This is an ankle brace. This is a chest protector. This is skiing. This is snowboarding. This is ice skating. This is figure skating. This is ice hockey. This is curling. This is bobsleigh. This is luge. This is hockey. This is rugby. This is handball. This is table tennis. This is squash. This is lacrosse. This is polo. This is archery. This is a locker room. This is a bench. This is a dugout. This is a podium. This is a lane. This is a starting block. This is a finish line. This is a penalty box. This is a winger. This is a fullback. This is a point guard. This is a center. This is a pitcher. This is a catcher. This is a quarterback. This is a libero. We can tackle. We can block. We can spike. We can smash. We can volley. We can lob. We can dunk. We can head the ball. This is a push-up. This is a sit-up. This is a squat. This is a lunge. This is a plank. This is a burpee. This is a deadlift. This is a bench press. This is a locker room. This is a bench. This is a dugout. This is a podium. This is a lane. This is a starting block. This is a finish line. This is a penalty box. This is a winger. This is a fullback. This is a point guard. This is a center. This is a pitcher. This is a catcher. This is a quarterback. This is a libero. We can tackle. We can block. We can spike. We can smash. We can volley. We can lob. We can dunk. We can head the ball. These are cleats. These are skates. These are skis. This is a snowboard. This is a surfboard. This is a paddle. This is a bow. This is an arrow. This is synchronized swimming. This is water skiing. This is wakeboarding. This is kite surfing. This is bodyboarding. This is cliff diving. This is free diving. This is rafting. This is biathlon. This is skeleton. This is ski jumping. This is speed skating. This is short track. This is snowshoeing. This is ice climbing. This is Nordic combined. This is a javelin. This is hammer throw. This is triple jump. This is a relay. This is steeplechase. This is a decathlon. This is race walking. This is cross country. This is netball. This is sepak takraw. This is kabaddi. This is dodgeball. This is ultimate frisbee. This is American football. This is bowling. This is billiards. This is a refrigerator. This is a microwave. This is a toaster. This is a blender. This is a kettle. This is a rice cooker. This is an oven. This is a dishwasher. This is a spoon. This is a fork. This is a knife. This is a plate. This is a bowl. This is a cup. This is a glass. These are chopsticks. This is a sofa. This is a coffee table. This is a television. This is a remote control. This is a curtain. This is a floor lamp. This is a bookshelf. This is a rug. This is a bed. This is a pillow. This is a blanket. This is a wardrobe. This is a mattress. This is an alarm clock. This is a hanger. This is a mirror. This is a hammer. This is a screwdriver. These are pliers. This is a drill. This is a ladder. This is a toolbox. This is a tape measure. This is a wrench. This is a broom. This is a mop. This is a vacuum cleaner. This is a dustpan. This is a bucket. This is a sponge. This is detergent. This is a trash bin. This is a toothbrush. This is toothpaste. This is a towel. This is shampoo. This is soap. This is a bathtub. This is a shower. This is a sink. This is an electric fan. This is an air conditioner. This is a washing machine. This is an iron. This is a hair dryer. This is an extension cord. This is a light bulb. This is a light switch. This is a wall clock. This is a painting. This is a vase. This is an indoor plant. This is a photo frame. This is a candle. This is a carpet. This is a doormat. This is a door. This is a window. This is a key. This is a lock. This is a doorbell. This is a doorknob. This is an umbrella. This is a window blind. This is a cushion. This is a throw blanket. This is an ottoman. This is a side table. This is a TV stand. This is a speaker. This is an air purifier. This is a fireplace. This is a feather duster. This is a scrub brush. These are rubber gloves. This is an ironing board. This is a clothesline. This is a clothespin. This is laundry detergent. This is a fabric softener. This is a storage box. This is a suitcase. This is a backpack. This is a shopping bag. This is a first aid kit. This is a sewing kit. This is an umbrella stand. This is a coat rack. This is a saw. These are nails. These are screws. This is a level tool. This is a utility knife. This is sandpaper. This is a paintbrush. This is a paint roller. This is a router. This is a laptop. This is a tablet. This is a smartphone. This is a charger. This is a power strip. These are headphones. This is a projector. This is a nightstand. This is a dresser. This is a jewelry box. This is a laundry basket. This is a bed sheet. This is a duvet. This is a bedside lamp. These are slippers. This is a razor. This is shaving cream. This is a hairbrush. This is a comb. This is a nail clipper. These are cotton swabs. This is toilet paper. This is a toilet brush. This is a cutting board. This is a frying pan. This is a wok. This is a ladle. This is a spatula. This is a strainer. This is a peeler. This is a grater.